At this point, a pure, sure reverse osmosis system isn't a luxury. This is a necessity in everyone's home. With new contaminants being found in our tap water right now, like forever chemicals, pharmaceuticals, microplastics, heavy metals, basic filtration doesn't do it. If your water isn't going through multiple stages of water filtration, then you're likely consuming things that your body was not meant to consume. So when we think about water, right? Water that comes from the government, it meets an EPA standard. And so for years, we've all been under this false belief that, hey, the government said it's okay, so isn't that good for me to drink? And by the way, we want it to be that way, don't you? Don't you just want to go to the tap, turn on the faucet and drink it? Yeah, you do. I do too. It's easy. That's all we want to do. We want to make it easy. Our society is actually geared to teach us that we want things easy. And so going to the tap or grabbing a bottle of water, plastic water bottle, it's easy. But the reality is, the little teeny things that we do every day that are good for us usually help us in the long run, right? So when you think about that, your water filtration, for instance, cities have what's called water treatment plants. They don't have water filtration plants. They're called water treatment plants on purpose because they treat the water with chemicals. And when they do find something usually high, they normally use the theory of the solution to pollution is dilution. So they turn on all the faucets, maybe the fire hydrants, they flush things, and they hope that that solves the problem. But in today's world, what we're uncovering, thanks to science, is we're finding out that we can measure things in parts per trillion. Parts per trillion. I mean, it was when we set the standard, we could only test for things in parts per million. And by the way, since 1984, where the government set the standards, to today, think about all the chemicals, Dow Chemical, Corning, 3M, all these major manufacturers have created, and yet we've never updated the water standard. And what we know is the carpet that we all stand on, it lasts for what, 10 years, 5, 10 years, maybe a little longer. And what do you do with it then? You throw it in the garbage. The dump buries it, and what happens then? The rain falls on it, and eventually it erodes everything, and it gets back into our water supply. Now think about that for a second. It gets in our water supply, the city adds chlorine to it, which is a carcinogen, and then they send it to your home. There's a solution, but we're finding more and more things in our water supply. Just pharmaceuticals is a great example. It's like, why would we have pharmaceuticals in there? Well, when a manufacturer has to clean their vats that they made the pharmaceuticals in, what do they do with that wastewater? Does it go into our sewage system, which then gets into our water supply? Or when we consume it and we urinate it out, that goes into the sewage system and it causes all those things to be found in our water supply. So when we look at something and we can say to ourselves, okay, well, what kind of water filtration should I do? A single filter like this? Well, this is just basically a very large carbon filter, maybe on your refrigerator. And a lot of people think, well, that's easy, right? That's nice. The manufacturer put a filter and they say it's great because they're trying to sell you the refrigerator. So the reality is, it's like, what does it do? Well, it makes the water taste good, but is that really taking out the toxins? And so what qualifies for us a pure, assure system is one that we know that we can stand behind, and I can look at you square in the eye and I can be like, I know that takes out the toxins. And it doesn't make sense for me as a person who's trying to serve you. It doesn't make sense that I do a system that just makes it taste good. To me, I want to make sure that I use a system like this. This is a pure, sure system, but it's made by EcoWater, the ERO 385. And so what does this do? It's certified by National Sanitation Foundation to NSF 58 standards to take out the toxins we know that are in the water. Now, why is that so important? Again, to me, the body, when I came from the healthcare industry, I know that our liver, the fatty tissue of our body, our muscles, everything that we have in our body takes what we consume and we make it us ourselves, right? So if that's true, everything we consume becomes us, then it's logical that why would the water that I drink every single day, do I want that to be completely pure or have some toxins in it? I mean, even the federal government, they did a great study. This was under Barack Obama. It's the President's Council on Cancer. Great studies. Scientists, doctors all over the United States came together, and what they did is they said, what can Americans do to avoid cancer? And what it means is every day you take a little step, a little step. And to me, what that little step is, even including to them, one of the top things you can do is filter your tap water. So there's the government on one side saying, the EPA, that says, hey, this water's relatively safe. But on the other side, we have a President's Council on Cancer that says, you're better off to filter your tap water. So then the question from me to you is, how well filtered do you want it? Do you want just the chlorine out? Or do you want every toxin out? Do you want to take out forever chemicals, pesticides, herbicides? Do you want to take out arsenic, radium? Do you want to take out levels of trihalomethanes? That's a byproduct of adding chlorine to the water. Well, if you want to get all those out, we have to get you paired up with what we call a PuriSure reverse osmosis drinking water system. So that way we're sure that when we sell you something, it's pure. Pretty logical, right? I mean, I don't know, I'm just trying to keep it simple, right? Keep it simple, stupid. That's what my mom always taught me, keep it simple, stupid. So it's like, okay, I'm keeping it as simple as I possibly can. So my passion, I believe that it's pretty simple. We're on this planet to impact other people's well-being. I thought that was pharmaceuticals, learned that it wasn't, and what I think now is it's water. Because what I learned in the healthcare world is that we are made of water, and that when we consume anything, it becomes us. And our bodies, if we're going to consume something, yes, I don't want my food to have pesticides and herbicides. I'd like it to be organic. Makes sense. But something every day that I consume, I gotta do it. First thing in the morning, pro tip, if you want to do one great thing, drink 2, 3, 4 glasses full of water with lemon in it, right? You do it warm and it just wakes up the entire inside of your body because it's dehydrated. Why? Because all night we've been breathing, and that air that we breathe has vapor of water in it, and we become dehydrated. So the very first thing we can do is just shock the body. Another pro tip I learned is add in a little bit of baking soda to that, right? What does that do? It's alkaline. It actually is very good for the body. Lemon, that's so good for the body. By the way, if you have friends and family that you're trying to help become healthy, if you love them and you care for them, please share this video with them and like the video and maybe subscribe to our channel. We'd be so grateful for that. Because again, if we can all impact each other, then I think that is the meaning of life, how we impact other people's well-being. And to me, well-being would mean that we stay on the planet a little longer. Maybe we can all learn an extra lesson or two, right? Maybe we can learn how to treat each other with loving kindness during the time that we have on this planet. And if we can all do that and live a little longer, think about what a great world this would be, right? So to me, my passion about helping you become more healthy, it starts with an everyday routine, something little every day. Purify your own water, put it in your hands. Don't put it in a manufacturer's hand of bottled water. They can't do it. Plastic emits synthetic estrogen. Hello? Plastic water bottles, we find microplastics in it. Hello, that's not good for you? Manufacturers make claims that their water is reverse osmosis and it's purified, and we found that they're lying. So they're all in it for money. So the idea, for me anyhow, is that we pair you up with a product that's certified to take out the toxins. We put it in your hands. Every year you have to change the filter. That one and this one. Pretty easy to do, right? Anyone can do it. This one, once every 3 years. Done. That's it. Not that complicated. It's not that complicated. Then you have it at the tap. You have a faucet you can go to. In many cases, we can connect this to a refrigerator so we can make the ice cubes more pure. So we can achieve almost anything you want if you just take a little time and make that initial investment, and then every day take a little teeny step towards making yourself more healthy. By the way, the PureSure system also has minerals added back to the water, which will, of course, our body looks for it. Another pro tip, what can you do instead of that too? Just take a little pinch of sea salt. Celtic salt has so many vitamins and minerals and magnesium, which helps pull the water into the cell. So that's why these little things will help you become properly hydrated and hopefully flush our bodies of the toxins we have. You know, to me, health is wealth. So if you're going to spend some money, let's spend it on your body, spend it on your family, and to that end, we hope that we can help you along that journey. If you need us, you can reach us at angelwater.com. You can call us at 847-382-7800. Of course, you can always comment here. I try to respond. I can't get to everybody on YouTube or Instagram, but we certainly do, or any of the other platforms. We try to do our best, but we can certainly get back to you as soon as we can. Again, just so you know, my name is Drew. I'm here to serve you.